Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from around the country and around the globe, wherever you may be. Welcome to the Binary Options Advantage trade session for Thursday, March 5th, 2015. Glad that you're all here. We're going to do a quick roll call, then we're going to check the trade news, and then we're going to get right to the charts. News per se. So let's do that. Let's look at our announcements. I almost let that fly by. 10 a.m. IVPMI for Canadian pairs. FOMC member Williams speaks. Factory orders, medium input, medium impact. So there will be a little impact at 10 a.m. on the U.S. and one on the Canadian high impact. 10:30 is natural gas storage. That sometimes has a little blip, but it's a low impact. Pound U.S. dollar. This is the most dramatic look at a reaction. 1003. This is the 1003 candle here, and it took a dive, really bad. Returning to mean average price, it looks like, but it looks like it's still a little volatile. You want a nice steady return to mean average price. You want to get a good indication here. Looks like we did. Looks like we did get a good indication of the return to mean average price strategy, but I don't think we'll take it. Just look at it. You want to, like I say, a nice steady climb. This is just jumping up there again. So let's again play schoolmaster and talk about this a little more. This is probably right here. I would say we may have taken the entry on a return to mean average price strategy. I'm going to leave it red. I'm not going to change it to blue, the green rather. But we would probably take a 5-minute return to mean average price. And where is the mean average price? It's going to be right about up here. I'm going to show you with the revision 1 charts where the mean average price is with, okay, it's already there, the middle Bollinger Band, see? This just took off too fast for us to catch a mean average price strategy play. It may not be done. Okay, let's go back to our normal charts. I had a nice conversation yesterday with FMC group there, our traders. You guys mind me talking about our conversation a little bit? FMC traders? Okay, good, thank you. Yeah, we had a Skype video call yesterday. Don't forget, that's what I'm here for, folks. I have scheduled also a Skype video call today for another member today, right after the trade room session. All right, I did kind of zip around. We'll do it one more time to make sure there's no low-hanging fruit. We'll take a break, get a cup of coffee, a V8 juice, and adult beverage, a cocoa. Jump on that survey that Chris put up on the break if you can, and help us out with the direction of his project. He put the link in the chat box. It is on the Facebook group. Thank you for participating. $28 in the group today, in the web room today. Like I say, when we get consistently at 30, we're going to have that waiting list. Everybody looks like they can see now, and we're back on the charts, are we not? Euro US on a 5-minute. We're looking for a put. The pressure is with us. It is in the 7th channel. We have some fair hills here. We have some indecision here. We don't have the Bollinger Band as close. That's the only thing we don't have now. We are overbought on the RSI, on the stochastic almost all the way. We're overbought on the stochastic almost all the way. We are overbought on the RSI almost enough. Let's see. Get ready for a Euro US 5-minute put with a trend, modified genius strategy. Okay. You see what we're looking for now, right? Somebody tell me what we're looking for. Good, Richard. Oh, I'm glad that when it happens. Tell me what I'm looking for on the Euro US to take the trade. Red on top is correct, Dr. Mark Wash. That is correct. You have a decent price on the broker. Pressure has moved back against us, but I'm not worried. 280, 274, 267, 264, 263 here. You see how it's correlating? 102.68, 102.67, 102.76, 102.77. It is correlating. I was trading B options last night on the Asian session. What a disaster. I mean, I won some trades, but what a mess dealing with that broker is. Red is on top. Red is on top. I'm going to see the pressure come back to us. You watch. See the pressure here? It's going to come back to us. More coffee is right. Red is going to be on top here. Let's see it. Okay, look at the pressure. Get ready to take this trade, guys. Get ready to take this trade. 5-minute put on Euro US. 285. I see 290. Let's see what the next candle does. Get ready on Euro US 5-minute put. It's just not quite in the 7th channel. $287. Give me 290 and get me in the 7th channel, and we'll take it when it starts to move. Okay, guys, you're ready for this, right? Yes, that's right, Dan. It's shaping up. Yeah, okay, we're in the 7th channel. Get ready, 294. That's good. We're getting ready. Get ready, get ready. See all the puts being taken? 296, 305. Look at that, baby. Red's got to be on top. This is getting exciting now, isn't it? Look at all the puts that were just taken. We know better, though. We know to wait for that red dominant. I mean, it looks like it is. It looks like it's down. Here we go. 315. Holy mackerel. I hope this is not just going to continue to rise, though. Let's see what this candle does. Get ready. Put your finger on the trigger. It's in the 7th channel. We got all the elements. Look at that, baby. It's not giving us a red dominant now. What does it look like on the 5-minute chart, Paul? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Bounced off the bottom Bollinger Band. Off the bottom, not liking that. Not liking that. I'm not liking that. Boy, this is strange doings today. Pressure is going against us.
Yeah,
Red is now...
on the size.
I just did. It's not pretty.
It has lots of room to go up, and it's an uptrend.
Yeah. Yep. I think some of those puts got burned that were taken a while ago, because it's still marching up. 320, 315. Don't have red. See, we just have red and green playing with each other right now, intertwining. You finally touched the 7th channel with a wick. This is crazy. All right, put now. 5-minute put now. Euro US dollar. We got to take it. Got to take it when we see a red marker like that. Red became dominant. Still is somewhat dominant. We need the next candle to form red. Yes, I'm liking it. Let's get your prices, folks. Mine is $293. $293. $297 is a good price. $293 Zach. $291 is okay. Osalito. $293, $293, $291, $297. FMC. You fellas did good. Okay, so this one was hard to work on, huh? Hard to get going. Sporting up pretty nicely. It's got 3 minutes and 40 seconds to go. Could see a slight retracement here. I'm not liking it, but it could happen. 295. That's good. I got 293. 297 was a good price. We will get more trades. Things will get better in the spring. You heard that young lady speak about the beige book and a lot of reference to the economy being impacted by the weather. That's why we're seeing all this crazy stuff happening. She mentioned it more than twice. Trading like a sniper. I like that, Mr. Arnold. That's a good analogy. Laying in the woods, in the weeds. Spotting. Aligning your target. Taking into consideration all the elements. Coming up on 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Looking fairly sporty. I didn't plot it on the chart. We all know where we took it. Measured 3 times, cut once. That's correct. I like the analogies, Mr. Arnold. Though, let me just mention again one of the reasons why we use CT option, which is in the money. We're nicely in the money. Not the least of which is the market price. You saw the market price you see on the charts is the price that you strike on your trade. Like I said, I was trading beat options yesterday. There's just no correlation at all. It's just a mess. Did they manipulate prices? Wow, did they ever? Anyhow, we're looking pretty good on this. And I took a trade when you called, but my finger got itchy, so I took also a trade. Oops, one second. Come on now. Trying to move the, there it is. Most spot option brokers white labels offshores that are not CT option and not a couple of other prime brokers. Yes. We talked about the validation scam. Boss Capital does have a fairly decent, but they're all guilty of the validation scam. We talked about that, right? It's in the video too, the 60-second trade strategy video that I put on YouTube and Facebook. I talk about the 60-second. I took the trade when you called my pitch, you got itchy, and I took also a trade earlier. Lucky just won it. Very good. 16, 15, 14. Retracing a little bit, but we should be good. Our price is at 66. Everybody's in the 90s. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Instant validation. No period of waiting. There's your price. There's your win. No validation period. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. 1-0. Late in the session. Sorry we couldn't get more. But you saw how difficult it was. We let a couple get by. Yay, Richard. Yeah, you gotta show the losing videos too, Richard, like you did yesterday. No problem. Kathy won. Yay, Kathy. Announce your wins, folks. Be proud of it. That was finally a good looking trade. We met all the criteria and we took it just right. We took it just right. All right, everybody. Got a few minutes left in the session. Like I say, we will get more trades as things stabilize a little in the economy, let's hope. The Beige Book outlook today was good. Again, you heard the young presenter talk about how the weather affected big box and auto purchases and all those sort of things. And I think as we move into the spring, we're going to see more and more trade opportunities and a little more stable market, I hope. But then again, you have other things happening around the world. So you always have excuses why there's unpredictable volatility in the markets these days. So we have a few more minutes left in the session. We're not going to get another trade, I don't think. I'm going to look around real quick like. That was a good one.